Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to extract data from Salesforce SOAP API XML response for login request. In Python, if you make a login request to Salesforce, and then if you get a SOAP API login uh, result response in XML, then if you are using Python, you can use the sample code which we are going to reference in this video to extract the data from the response. Especially if you wanted to get the session ID, username or server URL, then you can use this sample code. I'm using a regular expression to parse the text and then get the information um, from the XML string. So I am using import RE. In Python, import RE means we are importing the regular expression libraries. Next, I have a variable called strXML string, which contains the response body of login request. I'm not making the request here, so directly I'm using a string so that we can have better understanding. Next, in order to get the organization ID, here this is the organization ID. In order to get it, I am using RE regular expression library dot find all of string between organization tag open tag and organization below tag in str XML string. Whenever we use find all, it will return array, so I'm getting the first return value. So here I will be getting the organization ID 00DI, like this ID I will be getting when this particular line gets executed. In order to see the result, I am using a print statement. Next, I'm using a variable called strURL, where I'm using re dot find all of metadata text between open metadata server URL and closing metadata server URL. So here I am having metadata server URL, so I will be able to get it. Similarly, you can get all the values using the regular expression. Let's run this. So I'm able to get the organization ID and also the server URL. So make use of regular expression library in Python to extract data from Salesforce login result SOAP API XML response. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample code which we referenced in this video. Thank you for watching.